excited about. These are the handles. So again, stock handles, but instead of the stock black plastic, these are atomic orange. So super awesome. Really excited to get these installed. Handle go right here. It looks so fresh, so clean, so atomic orange. So I got these on for a steal on eBay. So shout out to my guys over at the Vet Collector on eBay or thevetcollector.com. Definitely shout out to those guys. They definitely took good care of me over there. So awesome. So here's the driver's side. We're going to replace the black one with the fresh atomic orange one. So yeah, let's get this thing disassembled and clean it up, of course, and then put this baby on. Cool. Here is the pressure pad to open up the door. So I have them apart already, so might as well just like open them up, clean it up, keep them working. So we got both parts open now. You can see that there's a little bit of oxidation, a little bit of like debris in here too. So this is the driver's side, and it was working just fine. So again, this is just for maintenance. We already had it apart, a couple screws, a little bit of brake cleaner I'm going to throw in here, and just to get it nice and shiny again. Keep it working like this for some time to come. Cool, so I'm going to clean these up, and then we'll put this assembly into the new handle, and then that new handle will go on. So there's the metal piece, the rubbery side of this button. It's cleaned up, still pretty shiny like it was before. Took my nail just to kind of get rid of the, I don't know if that was tarnish or just wear. So did a pretty good job of it. I also cleaned off like around the rubber as well. I also cleaned off like within here. Again, just kind of pedantic. There was definitely a lot of dirt when cleaning up inside the valleys here, but yeah, so we're all nice, we're all fresh. Alright, so we're all cleaned up, inside, outside, inside, everything's all cleaned.
I spared you that that time watching me clean up. So anyway, here we got the pad, the pressure pad, and the handle. So it's real just simple. It just kind of like fits right on there. It's got a nice little contour for it. Just sits right in there. Okay. And then obviously make sure to plug it in. Make sure to connect it back. There we go. You heard the snap. Let's do work. Flush against here.